In this video, we will learn how to control Ideomeka together. The video is roughly divided into 5 parts. Getting ready. The basics. The core skill. Advanced skills. And training techniques. Before turning on the BrainLink device, important step is to put the BrainLink module flat, and then hold the on-off button for 1 second to turn it on. This will make sure the gyroscope is properly calibrated. Next, turn on the switch of the Ideomeka. When you hear this sound, BrainLink and the Ideomeka have been successfully connected. Put on the BrainLink and you can start to control the Ideomeka. Control of the Ideomeka is achieved through the combination of the player's head movement and brainwave signals. Direction control is the most basic and simple operation. You can control the direction and the height of the turret by the head posture. Tilt the head to the left. It will turn left. Tilt the head to the right. It will turn right instead. The turret will aim high if you raise your head. It will aim low if you lower the head. To familiarize and master the suitable range of head movement, we can practice these 4 commands for a couple of times. Concentration control is the most important part of all the controls of Ideomeka, and all the movements on the ring are based on this core skill. When our concentration reaches a certain level, Ideomeka will move forward. The higher the concentration, the faster it moves. Players' ability to control concentration is essential in winning. We can train through the various apps with BrainLink, and we can also take the brain training courses in order to improve and consolidate our focus ability. To win the game, we also need to learn how to fire bullets and make the Ideomeka dodge to defend. When our brain reaches a certain level of relaxation, Ideomeka will start to move backwards. This skill is very effective in avoiding opponents' rushes and bullets. To be relaxed in the midst of a tense competition requires a high level of mental quality. This is something that we can practice more through BrainLink's apps. Clenching the teeth, we can make the Ideomeka fire bullets. Clench your back teeth slightly and then release them within 1 second. Ideomeka will fire a single round of bullet. Clench your back teeth continuously and the bullets will fire in multiple rounds. Please note that there is a limited amount of ammunition, so, to avoid misfiring at teammates and wasting bullets, should try to avoid talking too much and chewing food during the match. Ideomeka has the choices of 2 types of ammunition. The rocket attacks in the longer distance and has more rounds of bullets, but the attack range is smaller. The frisbee, on the other hand, has a shorter firing distance and fewer numbers of rounds, but has a wider range of impact. Players can choose the right type of ammunition according to different team tactics. On the head of the Ideomeka, there is a vital point. When the vital point is hit, the green vital light of the head will go out. There are a total of 3 vital lights, and when they are all off, the Ideomeka is destroyed and no longer be able to move. In addition to the vital lights, the numbers of remaining armor is also a factor in determining the winner of the match. The Ideomeka are equipped with 6 armors on all of its legs, and when the armor is hit by a bullet, it will fall off. You can also choose to rush and make impact on the opponent to knock off their armor, but this also has the potential risk of knocking off your own armor as well. Before we enter the ring for the real competition, it is very necessary to give ourselves some more practice time. In addition to some of the training methods mentioned earlier in this video, we can also practice by building our own training maps. For example, set up multiple obstacles in a space and control Ideomeka to walk around them. Then at the end, we can place a bullseye for shooting practice. During the training process, we may also record the score of the firing and the finishing time. You can also be creative and design different routes and play styles to make the training more fun and interesting. In the continuous training you will master more experience and skills in the control of Ideomeka, and the brain's ability to focus will also be greatly improved. Now, let's put on the brain link, start our magical journey to the world of the amazing Ideomeka.